Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And markets opened negative, that was expected along the expected line. That's because Asian markets were down. Yesterday the US markets were down. So Nifty opened about 50 point lower. But there were many surprises today. The surprise number one, throughout the day markets moved very smoothly. Whether it was going down or again coming up, again coming down, but it moved very slowly and gradually without any sharp moves. So that made, this kind of market is good for option sellers. They can do a lot of adjustments. So that was one thing. Second thing, ahead of the US jobs report, and that too today is a Friday weekend. So I thought there will be, increase in the volatility index. But on the contrary, the India VIX has fallen 2% in the morning and throughout the day, and towards the end of the day, even at some point of time, it was down even 3% fall. Usually, in a falling market, VIX will be higher. But today, the markets fell, but VIX also fell. And usually, ahead of bigger events like US jobs data, and VIX will shoot up, but VIX has come down. So that was a second surprise. And the third surprise, and yesterday the markets fell, but Nifty future has come into discount. So then I said, short sellers are very active. But today, though markets fell, Nifty future from minus 15-20 point discount to 15-20 point premium. So, it's exactly opposite of what happened yesterday. The day before yesterday, it was 30-40 point premium. Yesterday, 15-20 point discount. And today, 20-25 point premium again. So, that shows that, the stable market is being used by the short sellers to cover their shorts. And then, another surprise, the way, I thought Nifty will not fall significantly, but at some point of time started falling so much, it even tested 17,220. I'm talking about future. Then the next surprise is that, nobody expected such a big bounce back from 17,220 level. And that's because the European market, though it opened lower, they started recovering. And suddenly there was some slight green tick everywhere. So our market recovered so much. And last but not the least surprise, and I do have a lot of positions in December options. And today whether market is up or down, okay, and both the options, all the put options also fell and all the call options also fell. And market was down at some point of time, even in the money put option, it fell today. So today, I would say, is an happier day for people who have sold December options. This December options are sold long back. Okay, so there were too many surprises. And although HDFC fell in the morning, but after some time, so there was a decent recovery in HDFC, and HDFC twins supported the market. And in the morning itself, I told you, even in the US market yesterday, all sectors fell, but except oil sector. And because the crude oil is up because of this OPEC decision, so here also I told you Reliance will be in focus. And even when the Nifty fell more than 100 point, so Reliance was trading in green. So today Reliance and ONGC, so they both were beneficiary due to the higher crude prices. So that supported the market from collapsing below 17,200. There was some good profit booking. The worst performing stock I would say is a TCS. There was Infosys was holding, but TCS came under severe selling pressure. Towards the end of the day there was some recovery, but I think people are unwinding their long positions ahead of its results on Monday. So this video is being shot before 6 p.m. People are keenly waiting for the US jobs data, and then at this point of time even the FII data is also not out, but I don't think that there is going to be any significant change in their numbers. And the way the market was moving, it was very lazy and slow move. But despite that, Bank Nifty at some point of time recovered, I think more than 400-500 points from intraday low. So all in all, it's a good trading day, a calm trading day, and though markets fell, we did not feel any negativity because we are happy. But for Monday onwards, the story may be different. It all depends upon US jobs data. Looking at the open interest, yesterday itself I told you 17,400, 500 saw huge addition of open interest, and today also 17,500 has the highest open interest among call option. And also by looking at the price action today, people are thinking markets may not make a very big move on either side, so people started doing 17,300 short straddle also. So on the downside, I think the 17,000 put option has a decent addition in the open interest. So by looking at it, it looks like the next 4 days markets may be trading between 17,000 and 17,500. But looking at the open interest, it may trade with a negative bias because the calls are written more aggressively than the puts. And so we will see. US jobs data can change everything. So let us see next week. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.